Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue à la classe de français. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier présentation. Présentation. Today we're going to take a look at some vocabulary about introducing yourself and others. Some of this vocabulary will be review and some of it will be new. Follow along and répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? So just a reminder, this is how you ask what is your name, but there are some variations of this question. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Again, all three of these mean what is your name is just variations of the same question. And the best response to this is je m'appelle, and then your name. Je m'appelle, and then your name. Sometimes we want to ask somebody else's name. So if we want to say, what is her name? We say, comment elle s'appelle? Comment elle s'appelle? A variation, elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle comment? The answer to that question, elle s'appelle, and then her name. What is his name? Comment il s'appelle? Comment il s'appelle? A variation, il s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle comment? And the answer to that, il s'appelle, and then his name. If you want to go gender neutral, you can say, comment on s'appelle? Comment on s'appelle? On s'appelle comment? On s'appelle comment? And on s'appelle. On s'appelle. What is their name? Now, because we've learned the alphabet, sometimes when you learn someone's name, you want to know how that's written. So to say, how do you spell that, on dit, we say, comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? How do you spell that? And then the answer would be, ça s'écrit, and then you would spell it out. Ça s'écrit, and then spell it out. Another question along the same lines, comment tu appelles? And then you'd put a word in. So how do you spell? And then whatever word it is you're trying to spell, you would put there. And then the person would just simply spell it back to you. All right, when we're introducing people, so that's the présentation part of this. If you want to introduce someone to someone else, you say, je te présente. Je te présente. I have up here informal. It is also singular. So if you're just introducing one person to somebody else, so I would like to introduce you to. And then if it's a more formal situation or you're introducing someone to an entire group, you would say, je vous présente. Je vous présente. I'd like to introduce you to, and then whoever the person is. And just a reminder, when you meet someone, the nice thing to say is enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Now that we know numbers, we can also go ask somebody's age. Tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? How old are you? Literally translated, that means you are which age, but that's how the French ask, how old are you? And the response to that is j'ai, and then your number, and then en. So for many of us, we would say, j'ai 14 ans, or j'ai 15 ans, or j'ai 16 ans. So a little interesting fact about this, j'ai literally means I have, and then you say the number of years, and you have to have that word en at the end. I know that in English, we can just say I am 15, but in French, they say I have 15 years. And it's very important to have the word en at the end, because otherwise you might say j'ai 15, and then they might think that you have like 15 cats or something. Right? So we can talk about other people as well. Elle a quel âge? Elle a quel âge? Elle a 16 ans, or however old she is. So how old is she? We have il a quel âge? Il a quel âge? And il a, and then however old he is. And on a quel âge? On a quel âge? On a, and however old they are. And finally, because we know numbers, we can also ask for somebody's phone number. Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What is your phone number? Mon numéro de téléphone est, so my phone number is, and then you would give the phone number. Merci. Au revoir.